Yes, here I am everyone. Welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, you can see I am here on my terrace and this is Dobby. Dobby is playing in the sand. He is playing. Hey Dobby, Dobby. Oh, कितना cute है. शैतानी कर रहे हो, शैतानी. He is playing and he feel happy on the terrace because it's a long space for its playing. So he feel happy. And you can see on the terrace there are many workers are working uh, on the terrace. Repairing work is happening, repairing work is running on my terrace. So in today's video I'm going to share with you some points which is very important. Okay, so very first point is that you have to start your journey with your real situation. You have to speak in English with your real situation. Just like I'm going to give you a demo. You can see here so many laborers are working on the roof. And if we talk about this situation, so think about what are the points, what are the sentence you have to deliver. Okay, you have to create. So in this way you can start your speaking journey. So you can see there are many laborers are working and they are repairing, they are working repairing work on the roof. And yes, there is Dobby and he is playing on the sand. He feel happy while playing the sand. You can see he feel happy. Yes. Now, so this is the real situation. So let's talk about some sentences on this situation. So for this, what you need to do, you need to just ask some question in your mind. Okay, whatever any situation that you have seen, so you have to create 3 or 4 questions in your mind, just like what is happening on the roof. Okay, and second question is that why is happening, what is happening on the roof and why is happening on the roof. Okay, next question is that who are they, who are they. And next question is that what is dog doing here. So now after creating some question, now you have to create some answer in English. Now you have to maintain, now you have to frame some sentences related to these questions. So first question that I have asked you, what is happening here. So you can see there are many laborers are working on my roof for the maintaining, for the repairing the roof, because it's rainy season, so there is some leakage on my roof. So that's why they are coming here and they work on the roof. Now second question is that why they are coming here. Okay, why do they work on the roof. They work on the roof because repairing work is running, because they want to repair the leakage on the roof. So that's why they came here and they are working on the roof. Next question is that who are they. So they are laborers. They are daily wages laborers. They have to work every day. They have to gain money every day for his family, ration and pani. So that's why they work every day and they are all daily wages workers. Yes, it's afternoon time. You can see it's very humid nature and they are working on the roof in humid weather. So you can think how did they work here with humid weather, because it's very humid, it's very hot weather. Okay, and if they are working so that so that they can achieve some money, and with the help of that money they can easily buy some ration pani for his family members. Okay, so रोज खोदो रोज पानी पियो. So these are some daily wages worker. Now next question is that what is dog doing here. So dog is playing. Dog is feeling happy, and yes, he is the happiest dog in this world. because he gets some liberty. He's free to go anywhere, up and down. He's the, cute family member. Yes, you can see he's drinking water on the, drinking water, and yes, he's washing his feet and hand. Yes, Bobby, come here. Come. Ah. So he feel very happy now. So in this way you can start your English speaking journey. You can create some question in English. You can also make some answer in English and start your journey with your real situation. Start your English speaking practice with yourself. Don't worry if you have no one. If you have no one to practice in English, don't worry. Do practice with yourself, because you are your best friend. You are your best teacher. You can teach yourself. You can evaluate your process. You can find out your mistakes that you have made while speaking English. Okay, so don't worry about your practicing. Don't worry about your mistakes, because we will learn with our mistakes. Every learners learn with their mistakes, because mistakes are our best friend. Mistakes are our best teacher, and mistakes teach us to do what not to do, because we have already done some mistakes. So yes, mistakes teaches us. Don't do that again. Okay, so don't worry about making mistakes. Making mistakes, it's a part of our learning life. So don't worry about this now. So in this way you can easily start your English speaking journey. Yes, I have received some comments on my comment section that, ma'am, I want to do conversation with you. How to do conversation with you? So I don't know if you know some way how to connect with you. So you can easily give me your answer. You can share with me how to connect with you. Okay, now just try to speak in English. There is no you will think that, okay, then I will start speaking English, then I will know every grammar rules in English, and I will start in English, then I will complete my whole grammar. So it's not going to help you. Believe me, it's not going to help you. I know some people, even they are PhD in English, but when it comes to speak, so they hesitate, they feel fumble, they feel scared. So speaking is speaking is a different aspect. It will come when you try to speak. It will come when you do practice in speaking each and every day. It will come when you try to think in English and in a real situation, when you try to make some sentences related to real situation, just like that. Okay, so okay, speaking is a skill. Yeah, we have a lot of information about grammar, about some rules, but yes, speaking will come when you try to use all the information, when you try to do practice, and then your all information will convert into the skill. And yes, speaking in English, it's a skill, so that you have to achieve this skill with the help of practice each and every day. Can't you do some effort to achieve this skill? Yes, you can. Yes, you can achieve your goal. So think about all the laborers. They are working on this, humid nature, humid weather in afternoon time, because they are illiterate. They have no any opportunity to learn this language. They are working because his family members, because they have no money. They have no some opportunity that you have. So use your opportunity, use your thing, whatever you have. Thank to God that you have something, okay, something good. You have a lot of time. You can learn any new skill, because you don't need to think about daily wages thing. You don't need to think about some responsibility. So try to learn this language. Yes, don't try to make mistakes. Don't try to excuse that, ma'am, I have not done my whole education throughout a convent school, and ma'am, I have no one with whom I can practice in English. These are some excuses, believe me. Yes, I have done my whole education throughout Hindi medium, government school. Yes, I have no one with whom I can practice in English. Still, I can speak in English in front of you. If I can, then why you can't? You can also speak in English. But the main thing is that you have to take a decision, a good decision. Take a challenge yourself and do work on it. Try to do some effort, try to learn this language, and believe me, your effort should be count each and every day. Effort should be count. Don't try to skip a single day. And believe me, after 1 month you will feel you are improving. Okay, don't think about making mistakes. Do mistakes, 100,000 mistakes, but please do mistake. Please try to learn this language with your real situation. Okay, because every persons have a different situation, have a different atmosphere. So find out some words that surrounds you, find out some activities that happening surrounds you, and try to create some little sentences based on your real situation. In this way you can easily enhance your fluency. You can easily create some question in English. So that's all I wanted to share with you in this video, and I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like, to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.